can I see how we alone? Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
Yo, Ziggy, the people haven't seen you in like the last what? Little bit in the last vlog?
When?
Ziggy, when you were doing the kitchen stuff.
Oh. So I got some of my time off to stay scarce.
When you said to make them wonder where you are?
And it's scarce, you're more valuable, you know, like gold and this.
You're funny. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another vlog.
Are
tonight.
You on break or your foot break?
What do you to do what? Don't.
I know you can't like, you know, move around me.
It's you. Maybe because you're used to driving like your car. Sean them always say, or Keisha always say when they drive my car, the gas is not like as sensitive.
Oh.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think so.
So you guys, we are currently on, we're on a little date night. We're about to go out. We're going to this restaurant called Joey's. Ziggy's never been there. I'm trying to take him to like different restaurants that he's never been. Okay, I actually had work today and I got work tomorrow. Ziggy's weekend off, yo. So I thought we were gonna be on the same weekend, but we actually got opposite weekend. Actually, we would have been on the same weekend if my schedule got shifted around. So now we're opposite weekend, which kind of works out with Nyla, because then when one parent's at work, the other one can be at home to watch the other one.
Good thing about me,
yeah, so he does 8 hours and I do 12. Tomorrow I have an 8 hour. I get like 1 8 hour per month, but it still makes up my full-time hours, but whatever. How you liking your new job? It's a you like it, whatever. Still trying to get used to it.
Okay, but this my road kill. I'm not playing somebody take 3 pints.
Yo, what were you saying the other day? You were saying how the work that you just start, it kind of like the stuff that you see.
Oh yeah, man, it make you like it just make you look on life different, you know, like a way.
Like
I even learn more as I did it, because that's what I say when with the whole like alcohol and the pepper and them, and they like, cause me always just say me like holy pepper on my food, you know. And when I go see like people when they might do the blood thing, dialysis, and them shit, they are like, they might say no, and give them give blood, or like clean them clean, or strain them blood or whatever. I'm like, yo. But just to see like people have to go every 3 days, they have to come back and sit down on the machine for 4 hours. You see me, it's just like, yo, all of them like that, the 4 hours they are there in the every 3 days just gone, just you have to sit down, like, you know. And then when I go a certain part, I see some people sit down, all of them cry, you know. When I go there first, like, you say, oh. No, it's not funny.
It's not, I know.
It's like, she's like,
just so lonely.
And she asked me, but at the same time, like, I can't even answer and come in and even know what I go on.
Yeah.
You see me, I just walk off. But when I walk off, I just feel bad in myself, you know. So like, she asked me something, I just walk away. But then somebody else I say, they just want somebody to talk to, because
yeah, it's foggy outside, holy.
Because them people, them not really come and check on them to talk to them or something, you know?
Yo, Ziggy, remember when we used to drive in Jamaica and the fog would be like...
Boy, that's no fog. Burn up.
I don't care what you say, it's called fog. You know when it's foggy outside and you just can't see? You better stop. Anyways, I don't care. You can whine me, I don't care. But anyways.
Whine you.
I said why? What's wrong with you? But yeah, as I'm sitting here vlogging, it just reminds me of like times when we're in Jamaica and we'll be like going out and just driving and vlogging, driving to Bae or Ochi.
To Bae.
But yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're just going on a little date night. So the place is slowly opening up. Jamaica open up. Canada is slowly opening up. I think they're dropping the mask mandate on the 21st or something like that. And we're supposed to be having Caravana this year. So a lot of stuff is supposed to be happening this summer. Yeah, I was thinking we're gonna do Caravana, but
yeah, someone invite me. Like, what?
Who invite you?
Couple thugs.
Yeah, but I actually want to play mass. You don't want to play? They dress up in the costume?
You can't go just.
It's not the same though, because when you just go, you're on the other side of the fence.
Yeah, but
Just watching everybody and when you're in the parade now, you're palancing and whining and jukabante. Yeah. But yeah, I haven't played mass in so long. Last time I played was when I was like young, a good 10 years. Ew, that makes me sound old. But I actually want to go. I want to play. The one year when I was gonna play, I don't remember what happened. I think it was too late. But yo, the one thing I don't like is the costume prices are not the same as what they were when I played. I mean, I get it that there's a lot that goes into it, but damn, it's almost like $500 for like a bra and panty.
so what, you have to buy it from them?
Yeah, you buy it from the
Oh. So and then you go with your own thing?
No.
What the hell?
There's like different teams, and then they you go and basically model their stuff and have fun. But yeah, I'll see, because I also want to go to Sumfest. And I also want to go, is ATI still a thing? I don't even know if ATI is still a thing, but I want to go to Sumfest. The last time I was in Jamaica, well actually it was a couple years ago, I was supposed to go. Somebody was supposed to bring me. Someone actually invited me out and I didn't go. I think this was before I met you.
So they talk
this old man, this older guy was like, yo, I'm taking you to Sumfest, and I was like, no you're not. You know those older guys that want their young girl by their side? I wasn't gonna go.
You were gonna go.
No, I was not. No, I was not. No. Don't put words in my mouth. I was not gonna go with someone. I didn't even know him. He knew my mom, but like, he just definitely wanted like a pretty thing by his side, and I'm just like, I don't want to look like that young girl, because I literally look like, you know, those times I looked even younger, and it's like with the older man. Nah. There was another time with you, we were supposed to go, and I don't remember what happened. Ziggy doesn't like crowd. How do you not like crowd? Like,
there's too much things going on. Yeah.
Ziggy said he doesn't like.
You know how much time for all stage show? Cartel, them, Mavad, I don't know, and the whole of them and everybody else, like when I talk to them, I say, oh, them are gone, they gone. Me no go.
What?
Because anytime anything kick off, yeah, people are get trampled on all of this, and yeah, me no like it.
Let me tell you, so every concert I've been to, let me see, who have I seen? I've seen Massacre, I've seen Jamil, I've seen, what have I seen?
Yes, Massacre.
That's when we were at Burwood Beach, the all-white party we went to, like day before our wedding. I don't remember who else I've seen, but I've seen quite a few people.
Ended it too.
Yeah, I seen, oh yeah, Movado. Seen quite a few people, but let me tell you where Ziggy stands. Ziggy stands the closest to the exit or a fence or by the speaker.
I know this amazing.
No, I'm saying go. Okay, with Jamil, you weren't even that close. It was like after you brought me up.
But may I actually say, you see now that the place, you know, you them over there so high glare, you see me? So it's like all a big tune play a shot in the fire and them listen there, you see me? And is it you me know what go on that the place is like me just say, yo, if anything kick off, and you did it to somebody and say, yo, if anything kick off, make you just move right away. Me not for the like I hitch for move, you see me?
Just want to grab me and go.
Yeah, just move, cause
yo,
you don't know.
Do you remember that one time when, was it our party? I don't remember, or remember when we had the bar, right? In the car park, and so, we had like a party, or there was a party happening, and you quickly grabbed me and you pushed me inside, and you're like, stay inside, don't come out. Remember when something did happen? There was like, you don't remember? I don't even know what was going. It was some excitement, and I was people running, and Ziggy just grabbed me and pushed me in the restaurant. He's like, don't come out, don't come out. All I remember is the door locking, and I'm like, how you gonna push me in somewhere and then you're gone? And then I'm like worried, and I'm like texting him.
Like, can I move it away?
Wait now. What? That would come like,
yeah, like nice scary show them or snake show them.
Yeah, lock the person in the closet
and said, don't come out, stay there.
Literally, I'm like,
God, and like, what the fuck? Why you don't just go like in there?
Literally, I'm like, what? And I remember one guy, everyone outside is like scrambling, and there's one guy he pushed open the door and come in the restaurant. You can tell he was frightened, you know. Come sit down, he's like, whew, I'll just stay here with you guys, like that type of thing. But yo, one thing I can always say is anytime we went out, Ziggy always made sure I was good. From even our first dates, when we went to Pier 1. He always made sure I was okay. All those times we said we were friends, and I remember you grabbed my hand, and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
How may I tell what they about the first time they got the party? Because like I must say, in camp, but like certain women like they just money grabbish, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I say, brother, and everybody stay so, you know, because you have some people. Basically, in my night when we in the road and you ain't give me money for all.
Oh, yeah.
You say, if you buy drinks and pay going. But in a maid, I say, I say, I carry some in the road and you come and put money in my hands if you buy juice, pay going, and I'm there carry out.
It's so funny.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So when I say to him, say, yo.
Why is this not focusing?
He had an idea. After I reach back home, I end up carry back. I think I carry back all my money, right?
Oh no, so the next day you drop me home, and then the next day you're like, I have your money still, and I'm like, sorry guys that this is blurry, I don't know what's up with this. I'm like, what do you mean you still have my money? And literally brought back exactly how I folded up the money and gave it to him. He brought back everything. That I was not used to that. Like I was not used to having someone, like I was actually shocked that you even did that. Like I'm so used to being the doer and the giver, so that when Ziggy was actually doing all this stuff for me, it's almost like I didn't know how to accept it. Like it was so weird. Even remember that one restaurant we went to in Falmouth, and I was like, yo, I'm paying for the food, and you're like, it was like you didn't believe me that I was paying for the food.
I didn't believe it.
Ziggy's like literally sat, like he felt weird. He's just like sitting there so awkwardly.
You actually
like,
feel weird, like, you know.
I'm like, yeah, I'm paying for the food. Like he wasn't even used to it, but I feel like it goes both ways. It's not just a one-way thing. Like
True.
But yo, shout out to people who are coming from TikTok over to the NEWBY fam. If you guys are new here, y'all can go and I have a playlist with some of our
drive up the car now, idiot. Look how much speed they're going to run right.
Because there's always police back here. That's why. Yeah, that's how long I haven't driven back here. But shout out to those of you who are new to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, join the NEWBY fam. Quick little synopsis. You know, I met Ziggy in Jamaica. We have Jamaica vlogs. You guys can go and watch that playlist, our LDR love story, you know. All that good stuff is, bro, me too. But I already told him we're not talking about it, because every time we plan to go, something always happens. Literally something. So we ain't talking about it. But I can't wait.
I reach him, I go till 12 o'clock tonight, and that is some money on him.
Yeah, let me go and make Ziggy finish playing his music so he can chill, because I don't know where he's rushing to go.
That nigga confidence got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You my heart for this can't be the first time. We my heart for this first time. Looking for some things that I need that I gotta share with somebody but love for.
Yo, so we just finished eating. We're heading home right now. Ziggy's here pumping some gas. Yo, I don't even want to talk about gas price right now, because y'all already know gas price is just ridiculous. Anyways, that was a good little outing. Not you forgetting to turn off the car.
So what?
Like you're in Jamaica. You see your bad habits. Huh? Bro, you hear this guy out there cussing? I forgot what I was saying. This guy made me lost my train of thought. Why are you cussing?
Oh, you're cold, no bomb, clad.
You guys hear how he's out of order? Yo, I'm so homebody. I actually cannot wait to go home in my bed. Like I just love being in my home, my bed. There's nothing like this. Even like when it comes to sleeping out and stuff like that, even if I go to a hotel, it's like you just can't wait to be back in your own bed. Well, me, I just can't wait to be back in my own bed. It's not even that cold.
Cold, no bomb, clad.
You know how much editing you're gonna have to make me do right now? He's so exaggerating. We're here driving and he's like, Take the.
Send me back a blood clot Jamaica if I don't know warm and nice.
I should. Everyone would be happy if you were back. Everyone would be happy if you were back. It's not that bad.
All I know is zero water.
How much degrees is it outside?
17.
7. You need to sanitize?
Sang Makaiza. Yo, look like Father run for your tank go way up the sign for me. Bomba clot.
I know the other day when I was driving your car, I was like, damn, that's what 40 foot. You're actually no, I brought it over half.
No?
Yes.
No, but for your gun, we up too much more.
Try put on the eco. Put on the eco.
Again. Jesus Christ.
But I swear, when I first bought this car, I remember it was on, yo. Cause when I
touch up this and make it come off.
But there must be a way how to keep it on.
What you drive you with? Come true no?
Yeah, like what are you doing? C50?
Where?
Down there, you see light flashing.
Where in there?
Blue light flashing.
I'm not having a seatbelt.
Me either. I'm about to put on
right. Like more I got jail tonight, yeah.
Yo, this
on a weekend. They let you out by weekend up here?
This
Jamaica, they not let out here?
Really? I'm not paying no bail or nothing. Yo, guys, you guys see the accident, everything that's going on in Jamaica? It's so crazy. Literally, every time I go on Instagram, why am I orange right now? Watch them on them blue light flashing. Remember that song was like a thing?
Accident
No.
gone? Oh.
I don't know what's up with the quality. So yo, my car has this SOS button. Let me show you guys. This SOS button right here, right? But I thought maybe like it's a subscription thing that you have to sign up for. So one day I was driving out of curiosity. I was like, what's there bear police?
Ambulance that.
Ambulance. One day I was driving and I'm like, yo, let me push the button to see what would happen. Why did it start ringing, Ziggy, in my heart? Like,
Right, you call 50.
I don't know what kind of SOS it is,
SOS.
but right here.
What SOS mean?
I don't know if it was like police. I don't know what it was, but
SOS not some help something.
Yes.
Help. Yeah.
Some help something, but it literally scared me. I was like, yo, yeah, I put it on. Remember when you used
What's
to
the road? Oh, I fun. Oh.
remember when you used to tell me, oh, don't put on this, don't put on that, and I'm like, don't come in my country and tell me how to defrost window.
No, and you just say me can't keep the AC on.
It depends though.
I mean, I say it don't make no difference.
When it's cold, yes. And then when it's summer, you're gonna be putting on the.
One day Joshua come in a car and he say, what I say cool. So when me push and touch AC and turn up the when the heat start kicking me, you know, yo, turn it down a dog.
No, someone tell me in the comments down below. Ziggy said when you turn how to describe it, when the heat is turned up. Let me hold on. So Ziggy said when this is turned up, whatever temperature you want. So usually I put it like the highest, which is 31. And you turn on the AC, it makes it extra hot.
I didn't say it makes it extra hot.
You said that.
It's still hot.
You said it's like hotter than what it is.
No, I said it's still hot. You said it's gonna get cold.
No.
Or now
I never,
get hot.
no, cause remember, what's this zoom up in your face? Because you remember the issue was I was saying my car.
Say that.
I was saying my car doesn't heat up fast.
Listen to me. I not to say that. I say.
What you're trying to do, Indian or what?
I don't know. I'm trying to make a talk, and you're not to listen to me.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we had this sangria drink that was actually nice. I liked it. I'm gonna actually do that at home. It was like a wine with orange juice and Sprite.
Yo, them road and no line in it, you know.
They do have line. It's just hard to see. It's a light that I hate. Gosh, my stomach. I need some tea in my belly. Oh, this is the hospital that Shauna used to work at. So far.
We ain't take no turn. We just drive straight.
Yeah. Why you do it, Jankro? Oh wait, someone was asking me to shout them out in the video. So a lot of shoutouts I should probably do. If you are not subscribed to the what? You broke yours. You better go try buy. You get a big paycheck. You better go buy.
What's your blood
Ziggy, don't touch it. I'm not even. You took the watch
Bro.
charger too?
Huh?
You took the watch charger?
Me soon put it back, I don't want it.
You took the watch charger and then you come in my car and you
Me
dash
no want it.
the plug thing down. I'm like, yo, what's wrong with you?
Oh.
Who's chatting me? My ears is ringing, fam.
Me dash it down for true. But this one bought me something, cause
Go buy it.
Me buy this thing in my car and you take out and buy
Ziggy,
me.
I literally.
Yo, tell you why you man go buy all the cheap sitting put in that car. Me say as me move it sitting broke.
You guys, Ziggy is lying. I literally bought him the same thing. Ziggy's rough.
And the same thing.
It was the same thing. You're not telling me. You're
Nisha.
not. I bought it. I was the one who bought you when I was in your car.
Oh my Christ Almighty.
Yeah, oh my Christ Almighty.
Whitney, you know listen, no?
What?
A different city.
No.
You're the one.
It's
You're the
not.
one can. You see
Yes.
how this can flexible can. You're the one straight. You can't turn and I move me, they move
but
and
it's the same
fucking shit
brand.
broke.
It's the same brand. Yours can move because when I drive with it, it did move.
You turn left, right, up and down. Me don't want this, I want to be flexible.
You love flexible.
Yes. Me want they can twist up or something.
Are you twist up?
Of course.
You can twist up. Ziggy, you can twist up. Why?
Yeah, body girl. You ever going to solely burn up argument, you know, burn up on yourself.
Ziggy, no. Listen to what you just said though. I said you can.
You know, you said, you know, you have blood.
I said you can.
Twist.
You're
You said
flexible.
twist. Of course I'm flexible. So what's wrong if you're flexible?
Nothing's
What is
wrong.
wrong yourself?
Get out.
You see what
Yeah,
I'm
you just better try
You
focus
can't
on
like
your-
them not even good, my youth.
Ziggy,
Look how me have to look, watch out.
it's the rain and the weather.
Kiss me ass.
You're so annoying.
Hey, I saw some people drive each up on the
Turn
steering.
off the thing, the blinker. No, you know what? It's actually bad to drive like that.
I know. If you look
It's
up
not
in a
safe.
city, you know, man,
Yo, you're
gone.
gone.
And that's how they teach you if you drive, if you sit up so and drive. Watch out.
That's not. You're supposed to sit comfortably, not like that.
That's how they teach you if you drive. And you're two on the steering and your body up.
I'm tired,
Even
man.
if you drive, so people must relax.
Yeah? Is your
Just-
seatbelt on? Oh, what to say? You guys, my stomach, the way my stomach is bubbling right now. Not even bubbling, I'm just really gassy. And I had tea this morning.
Poop you want, poop man. I mean, I tell you, if you let it go, why don't you win that?
No, make you stifle.
Yeah, so deadly.
You know, Ziggy, we're not even getting it.
Deadly.
Getting into this conversation right now. That's a conversation that's not gonna be on camera.
Ooh. You're sorry.
I don't what? I don't say that. That's a lie.
Yes, you do.
I just let it. I just leave it, and if you smell it, that's when I say sorry.
You see only blood. Yes, boy.
For a new camera because this camera be stressing me. We're not gonna have this conversation on camera because if I talk, the people are gonna smell it through the computer. So we're not having this conversation right now.
Nah, man, make you a warning, you know, man.
Don't give me no warning. Yeah, you give me warning?
Of course.
You don't give me no warning before I can even. Yo, guys, when I tell you, I'm sorry if TMI, but when Ziggy let go, ask him. I get vexed. Like I get vexed. I'm like, I literally look at him and I'm like, because they're bad. They're that bad. That's how bad they are. They're bad.
They say if you fart and you fart, nothing, something wrong with you.
Are we supposed to be going? We didn't turn right.
No.
If you fart and it's
That, yeah. If you fart and it smell you, then you have good food.
so that means I'm not eating good food then,
Yeah,
because mine always smell good.
What? Who for fart smell good? Yo, what is that?
Ziggy, it's only when I drink like milk and those stuff or the Nutrimint. That's why I stopped drinking Nutrimint, eh?
You should say farts. Who have sweet poo? Nah, you just say farts smell good.
They do. Ziggy,
My granny.
when I was in Jamaica, you ever smell my be serious now. Big man thing.
Because you always go and shy.
Big man thing,
You
little
go like
kid
you know one fart.
sitting on hold.
I probably since you come here, you get comfortable now, just level
Ziggy,
poop anyway.
You ever smell my shoot? You never.
Okay, you spray up like in the one drop. As you drop, you just flush and spray right away.
How you know I spray? The washroom always smells sweet.
And you can hear you from here on the pss, pss, pss,
Lie.
pss.
You lie. Oh god, I gotta tune away. Oh god, I'm tired. Anyways, guys, we just got home and it's freezing and we're calling it a night. So, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and the chattings. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.
You know see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one. We alone.